Lost my nigga to depression, dealing with them drugs. Any nigga disrespecting, we gon' feed them slugs. Where was everybody at when I needed love? Lost too many family members, think I need a hug. Ain't no point in playing games when you still on the fence. Traumatized from all this pain like it ain't making sense. Couldn't penetrate this armor, but it left a dent. Growing up with Section 8 is how we pay the rent. Daily battles with this trauma got me paranoid. Medication keep me strong like I'm on steroids. I just wanna keep you with me through these Polaroids. Tryna run away from karma, what you can't avoid.